Good evening, good evening, good evening. It is evening, unless it's not where you're from, in which case it's something else. Welcome to the middle of the week, Wednesday. Again, unless it's not for you. Then happy whatever day it is for you. Today it's going to be a chill one. We're going to do some more development on Club Silly, and if we have some time left, I may or may not do some I've forgotten, absolutely forgotten. Do some bot stuff for the Twitch bot to get audio commands to work, as we spoke about in yesterday's stream. So anyway, I'll show you what's happened since last time in here. It will probably lag, as it always does, but I think we'll be okay. Just to have a demonstration. So the blue lights at the front and the side go to the beat of the music, as do the green ones down the side. There's 3 on each side, although you can only really see the ones on the right. You'll see in a moment they're lasers. They go to the beat. In Sun, welcome in. There goes the emote cannons. They still work. For some reason, I was going to say, for some reason the thing at the side didn't work, but it did. There we go, the lasers work now. I know it's incredibly laggy. I do apologise. There we are. How you doing, in Sun? Hope you're well today. Legend. You are indeed. So when we built this last time, the emote cannons didn't work for some reason. So I'm going to have to look into why they don't work. And I think it's to do with the way it stores the emotes. So here we have the emote cache, which saves all the emotes that have been used in the chat. And this is local to this Unity project. So I think what needs to happen is when it saves them, it needs to save them local to the where the file is. The executable file. Let's have a look. None of these. I'm going to close some of these, not the cannon. Emote manager, could be this. I think it's in here somewhere. Yeah, so this gets the emotes from the Twitch server. Application data path. Contains a path to the game data folder on the target device. So that should be correct. Unless it isn't because this doesn't exist. I don't know. What I'll do, we'll write this path out. Let's see what happens. If you see me typing in the chat, by the way, it's because I need to test emotes and stuff. So I'm going to put an emote in the chat to test it out with. Yeah, see, there they go, flying out. Why is it not laggy anymore? It's not lagging at the moment, is it? That's weird. It's smooth now. So yeah, they save in documents, Clubsilly assets inside the emote cache folder. So the problem is, I think it's when this is built into a executable. Oh, now it's laggy. The lasers have come on. When it's built into an executable file, it doesn't have this folder. Maybe that's it. Maybe. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to build it and run it. Let's completely remake the build folder. Oh shit, I need to click development build. No, it's gonna, I can't cancel it, I don't think. Otherwise we're not going to see the result. Right, there we go. Development build. Seems to be nice and smooth. It was, yeah. I don't know why. I'm thinking of building in like a waiting area. So before the stream starts, it'll be on the little... Wait, oh my god. What are all these errors? Assembly... Oh, a JSON thing. It's referenced by TwitchLib. The DLL is not allowed to be included or could not be found. Okay. I remember fixing this before, but I can't remember how. I think what I need to do is get rid of the Twitch, the JSON library stuff. Soup, how you doing, Ant? Hope you're well. Right, I might have to take this off the screen to do it because I think it's got some like private keys in it and stuff. I'm not sure. The event, no, I think just a chat manager does. What a legend. Absolute legend. Thanks for that, Insun. Just passing by, I want to say hello. No worries, Ant. It's all good. It's all good. We're having a chill one today. Absolute legend, Insun. Thank you very much. So we can run it, but it won't build with that there. Very strange. Can't wait to see the club. And put some random emotes in and you'll see the cannons fire. It should work. Maybe it only works when it's going. I'll see you later. Yeah, no worries, man. Thanks for popping in. I appreciate it. There they go. I know it's laggy. It will be laggy at the moment. Is it real time? Yes, instant it is. I wonder if it works like this without the lights going, because you'll see it better. Try it again, put some emotes. I don't know if I told it to wait until the music starts or not. Oh no, there we go. That's much easier to see. Oh, it's still a bit laggy now. I've made it full screen. Let's put VSync on. Oh, that's fixed it right up. VSync on, it's smooth as anything. But yes, it's real time. What is that? What is that? Long cat. Love it. So what it does in Sun is over here it displays the chat. And if there's an emote in the message, it will fire it out of here. And this one. And remove it from this wall. So for example, like you've done, you just posted emotes, it won't display it here. But if you put text in, it will. Yeah, but for some reason when I build it, it doesn't save. Like the emote cannons just don't work. And I'm not sure why. So that's what I'm going to see if I can fix. Hello, me exists. I was told there would be interesting things going on here. There's not that much interesting going on. It's more of a behind the scenes at the moment. I hope you're doing okay, Sluggy. I messaged you earlier, by the way, but that's something not for stream. I'm okay. Yeah, not bad. Not too bad. I'm alright. So there's not too much interesting going on. I'm just talking about how to get these emote cannons to work. In fact, I'll show you them. You like the sweet floor? It is good. Arcade style. Sluggy, put a load of random emotes in the chat. Non-animated ones. Just normal ones. And you shall behold the emote cannons. Non-animated ones. There you go. Enter, how you doing? Welcome in. Hope you're good. Doing something a bit different today, and so we are doing a behind the scenes of Club Silly, the little rave club I've created for when we have raves. Trying to get the emote cannons to work properly. It will go extremely laggy, but I'll show you it working. It's not VR, no. I wish it was. Maybe one day. So the lights all go to the music. They're okay at the moment, but once the lasers come on, it'll start lagging like crazy. They are dressed, yeah. So now they instead of just being black silhouettes, now they each have their own randomly generated colour for their clothes and their hair and their skin. So this is it so far. The chat's on the left, as you can see on the wall. And then the emote cannons. Yep. Fire emotes out. This needs to be in VR. Would be so cool. Absolute banger tune. Always a banger tune round here, Enter. So what you can do, if someone type exclamation mark fire, the cannons will fire every emote that's been used so far since the club has been running, like in this session. And like yeah, like that. There we go. So that's what I've been working on lately for the club. There's a load of slugs flying around. For some reason this doesn't work anymore, the middle bit. Not really sure why. But we'll fix it. We'll fix it. Yeah, I'm thinking of adding like a bar area. That's like a, you know, like a stream starting soon area. With a little TV with the chat on it. And then when it starts, the camera will just move over to here. And then the rave will begin. Sweet as hell. Thank you, Sluggy. And Enter, I'm glad you like it. Maybe slow to reply as I'm in RP, but I'm here. No worries, it's all good. How's it going with the RP? I'm so excited to give it a go. I'm so excited. I just haven't been able to yet. Haven't got the time. What was we doing? Oh yeah, trying to figure out why the emote cache doesn't look at that shiny disco ball. Ruby, what a legend.
Here you go, Jump XD.
Why did it say it like that? Here you go, Jump XD. Thanks, Ruby, what a legend. What did I say? What did I say? I think I said, how's it going in RP? How are you getting on now? And I'm excited. Oh yeah, I said I'm excited to give it a go, but I haven't had the chance yet. Nearly a year, Jesus Christ, is it really? Oh yeah, 10 months? You nutter. I need to figure out why the emotes don't work. Thanks for the alert, Ruby, very much appreciated. I love it. Still scary to talk to others, but I'm having a blast. That's my main concern. I think I'll be very nervous, and it'll probably show in my voice until I get used to it. And the main thing I think is all the button keybinds and stuff, not knowing how to do all the stuff. It's going to take a while to get used to, but it looks so exciting. I've been watching so many other streams of RP, and it looks it's always hilarious. Hydrate in sun, I shall. Today I am drinking in the best cup ever created. Cherry Coke. In this cup with rainbows and clouds on it. Cheers, Insun, for keeping me alive. Sugar free. It's not sugar free. I can't find sugar free Cherry Coke. Normally I drink sugar free all the time. But not Cherry Coke. Hopefully we'll meet at some point if you play during non-whitelist hours. Hell yeah, that'd be cool. How would you know it's me? I suppose you'd have to recognise my voice. Or I'd have to recognise yours. I applied for whitelist, but I didn't get it because I wasn't detailed enough with the character background. We'd have to RP it, can't we? Yeah, exactly. We'd have to just kind of figure it out. I mean, I can tell you after the fact. I don't think that's not allowed, is it? But we just can't, you know, can't meta it. I think I'll get denied because I didn't put in a lot because dyslexic. Maybe. I mean, I thought I put in a fair amount and they still didn't. They still didn't, yeah, didn't let me in. Oh well, try again, I suppose. You've got unlimited tries anyway. And you don't have to wait either, you can just go again straight away. Some of them like, oh, try again in 2 weeks or something, but this is just, you know, just keep doing it. Till we get in. We could share names, just can't use it in game. Yeah, that's true. Still play non-whitelist. Yeah. Trouble is, the best time for me to play, the easiest time for me to play is during the whitelist hours. Which I guess is why they're whitelist hours, because that's when most people are free. But I can definitely do sometimes before that, before 8 PM. Especially if I stream it sometime. Because my stream, well, yeah, my stream would end at 7 your time, I suppose. Right. Oh yeah, we had an issue. We had an error somewhere. I'll try and build this. There is an error. Don't intend on streaming it. That's fair enough. I think it would. Yeah, I think it adds an extra stuff to think about. I don't think I'll stream it straight away. When I get used to it, and if I find I'm really loving it, and I get used to it, then I might consider it. Right, what's these errors? TwitchLib API error. Not allowed to be included or could not be found. I'm going to get rid of the Twitch. So I tried to put a thing in here where when I get a follower or a subscriber or bits, it will flash all the lights and come up on that back video wall here. You know, new follower or whatever. But I couldn't get it working properly. And that's what's causing the error, so I might as well just delete it for now. I think it's this one. Twitch Event Manager. I'm just going to straight up delete that. And remove that Twitch library. I think it's in here. It's not this one. Oh, I also don't need this anymore. Who was I watching last night? Oh, what's his name? I can't remember his name. That's no help, is it? I think Nicky Prime, is that his name? He was streaming, and it was absolutely hilarious. My sides were hurting from laughing from the roleplay that was going on in that stream. Right, let's try this again. Please work. Please work. Not heard of him. He's what character? He's got a few characters. I think one of them's a police officer. The other one is can't remember. I can't remember. I've watched so many from that same server. Wait, did it come up with the same error again? I missed it. I think it did. Oh, of course it did. I didn't actually delete the... How do I stop... Okay, how do I stop ads from coming up in the middle of a stream? I know you can have them at the start. Like, if you run an ad, they don't come up for like 10 minutes or something. Is that right? Apart from subscriptions, obviously. I'm not going to go, well, subscribe if you don't want ads. I can turn them off. I just can't remember how. Oh, why is the browser doing this? Alright, or that, I suppose. Thanks, Enter. I'm still going to try and see how to... Thank you, what a legend. I appreciate that. Why does it say my connection's unstable? They run ads as long as you're affiliate. Yeah, but you can control when they appear. I think if you have ads at the beginning, or you run an ad in the middle of your stream, they don't have the random ones, something like that. They also recently updated their ad thing. I can't remember what it said. Or how to fix it. Oh well, I suppose that can wait. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out later. It's a pain in the ass. It is, yeah. It sucks too, because like you want to... If you're an affiliate and you monetize your stream, you know, you kind of need the ads, but you don't want to affect the viewers. Why did I open that? I don't need that. By the way, for those wondering, I have a hard drive here named Harry. You're probably thinking, oh, I've got it. That's his real name. That's not my name. That's called Harry because it's Harry Hard Drive. There you go. The more you know. Where is it? I need to get rid of this thing and then it'll build. Plugins. This is the one. Delete this. We all know your name is Bob. Imagine if it was. I'd be like, what? How the fuck do you know that? It's not, but if it was, that'd be a bloody good guess. Bob. Pleasure. Oh my. Okay, now we delete one thing, we get more errors. I know why. It's because we have a file trying to access that thing I deleted. Which is this one, Twitch Event Manager. Straight up delete it. Bob, that's a funny name for a girl. Right. Is it going to work now? Should do. Jesus. Oh, the emote. Uh-oh. I might have broke it even more. The emote cannon was relying on that file that I just deleted Oh, it's not. It's just trying to. Silly isn't your real name. It's not. Yeah, Mr. Silly Simulator. Squeaky straw. Oh, we're getting there. Emote Manager, that's the one I just looked at. Oh no, Emote Cannon. Where's Emote Manager? There. Yes, it's grey. That's what we want. When it's grey, it means it's here, but it's not being used. We can delete that. The errors will slowly disappear. Twitch Chat Manager. I think that might be the one I can't show on stream. Let me just check. No, it's fine. Right. Can't hear you over the storm. No worry. The storm in the game is so loud. I was watching a streamer yesterday. I couldn't hear him. Thanks for the lurk. My reality is shattered, says Sluggy. Nearly there. Right. Now this is where it crashes, but we need to see. This might be very loud. So I'm going to turn it down before it plays any noise. Because this is the actual one that, like the one that we used when we did the rave. Is it this? No. Oh my god, there's so many. It's this one. Right, the emote cannons are not going to work, which is what we're hoping for. Everything else seems to work. Do the lasers work? Yes, they do. I still don't really know what to put on this background wall. I managed to make this weird thing that changes colour to the beat. Apart from that, I don't really know what to put on there. Maybe I'll leave it like that. Seems to work okay. I'm going to test the emotes. Yep, see, we get an error. This is what we want. We want this error because I want to know. Could not find the path. Emote cache. Okay, so I think I need to make the folder emote cache, and then it will work. Let's go in this view, shall we? Does the chat will work? It does. That's good. Oh, also, since last time, the chat wall now has your color. If you selected a custom color on Twitch for your username, it will be there. Except seven TV colors don't work. Maybe I'll look into that into the future. If you've not selected a custom color, it will give you, I think it's like a bluey, greeny color. I think I need to make the people darker as well, like the colors. Like this blue is quite bright. I'm liking the lasers. I think they came out all right. Dog Bomb, thanks for the follow. What a legend! Hold on, hold on. How you doing, man? Welcome in. This gives me a perfect time to test the shout out thing, because I literally just tried to fix it. If you don't follow Dog Bomb, you should be. Welcome in. Hope you're well. Let's try this. Hang on, I need to close this. I think I know the issue with that now. Is it going to work? It's unbelievable, Jeff. It's a pumpkin. Did not expect that. Did not expect that. Love it. That is a great clip. Very good clip. Did the shout out thing work? Can you see in the Twitch chat a thing that says shout out? Because to me it doesn't look like it's worked, and that makes me a little bit sad. Not on my end, not on your end. Okay, I'll do it manually. See, now it works. Okay, I'll have to fix that. The bot doesn't properly do shout outs. Bastard. Yeah, go give Dog Bomb a follow. Absolute legend. Very funny man. And plays a lot of Jackbox and stuff with people. And Sluggy, if you're still here, he loves the ducks. The plastic ducks. Plastic, whatever the fuck way round it is. Anyway, where was I? I need to add a folder to the build. Right, let's see if this works. If this works, then we're good. I think it goes in here. I did. Yeah, I did. If there's anybody who doesn't follow Dog Bomb, who I think should, It's you, Sluggy. It's you. Right. Wait, was that the location of the thing? I don't know. I'm going to have to rerun it and find out. Let's try that again. If someone can use an emote in the chat to test out the emote cannon that's going to fail. Thanks, Insun. Wait a minute. It hasn't failed. It hasn't failed. I don't believe it. It's working. All I had to do was make that folder. Hey Derek, how you doing? Good to see you again. There we go. It's working. Oh yes. And if you do exclamation point fire, it should fire all the emotes that have been used so far since I opened this software. Yes, there we go. That's what we like to see. It works. I tried it with 1,000 emotes before and it crashed, but it was amazing. But I won't do that again. Right. I can't believe it worked like that. That well. But yes, welcome Derek. Hope you're good. I'm very well, thank you. Glad to have you as always. It worked. So in that folder, we should have an emote cache. We do. There they are. There he is. There's Dog Bomb himself. Pixelated. Yes. It works. So do you know what? I thought that was going to take a lot longer to fix than it actually did. Now I'm not sure what to do. What about... Oh yeah, these don't work. These are supposed to flash. They did before. Where's the music gone? It's a bit quiet. It's so quiet. Is it these? What is that? Love it. Hello, colors? Oh, there we are. Is it this one? Stage bar light controller. Barscal, yeah, this is the one. You Barscal. It's the... So these move from the center outwards, depending on the music. So this is high frequency, this is like mid, and this is low. And it used to work, but now they move like the tiniest little amount. Let's change this to like 10. See? They think about it, but then don't. What are they even doing? Is it moving the right way? I don't even know. Yeah, 0.01 in the X direction, is it? Yeah, that's the right direction. Weird. Put that back. And all I did since last time was change this from a plane into a quad. For those who don't know what that means, it's just a flat shape. One-sided flat shape, like a piece of paper. But a plane is made up of multiple triangles to make the shape. Whereas a quad is made of 2 triangles. So chop it in half and you've got to put them together, 2 triangles together, you've got a square. Or a quad. Which is more performant, it's better for the GPU and stuff like that. For some reason, this is, since I did that, it doesn't want to work. That's all I did. Nothing too crazy. Oh, maybe that was overriding the other. Let's put that to 50. Let's see. Derek's going off. He's on the fire. And he's won the jump catch game. Yeah, so it still doesn't work. Well, it looks bigger. Is it bigger than last time? No, it's not. By the way, Derek, the file will only work if I hit play and then people use emotes. Then you can fire all the ones that have been used. If no emotes have been used, it won't fire anything. And only when I hit play. Okay, let's figure this out. I'm still, I'm not going to lie, I'm still honoured that Dog Bomb came in and followed. I really very much appreciate that. Thank you very much. Going to fully lurk, but we'll leave a tab open. Thank you, Enter. Have a good time with your RP. Went to the doctors for a checkup. You're on acid tablets. Well, I hope that whatever the issue, it's helping and you feel better. What day is it? Wednesday. So tomorrow's Roller Coaster Tycoon Day, for those wondering. There are a couple of you new in here, so I'll just say today it's not normally like this. I don't normally do a load of programming stuff. Occasionally on a Wednesday, we just have a chill day. But Tuesdays is Trucking Tuesday, so we do Euro Truck or American Truck. Wednesdays is chill day. We normally go through itch.io or something like that and look for random games to play. And Thursdays is Roller Coaster Tycoon, where we go through all the scenarios to try and get to the end, which is interactive. You can come in the park and you can really mess it up, or you can help out by making all the guests throw up or disappear or explode and stuff like that. But today, just chill. Just a chill one. I say it's chill, but I don't know why this doesn't work. It's not that chill, really. It's quite frustrating, to be honest. So it's definitely this. Low band, mid, high, high, mid, low. Nothing's wrong with that. It's got to be to do with how it's getting the information from the audio. It's chill, at least from my perspective. Thanks, Inson. I hope it's chill and it's not like just boring the shit out of everyone. Also, if there's anything you want to know about what I'm doing, feel free to just jump in and ask what the hell are you talking about. Could be this, local scale. Could it be that? Probably not. Why would it be that? Gonna lurk a bit because I've got to eat something. No worries, Inson. It's all good. Is there another type of scale? So like, maybe that's what it is. Is there a world scale? The scale of a transform relative to the game object's parent. The global scale of the object is only read-only. Oh, and it's get, not set. So it has to be local scale. The scale of the transform relative to the game object's parent. So the where it... Okay, maybe that's it. So it's here. Its parent object is the stage itself, which I did change. So maybe that's it. Let's move these to like just on their own and see what happens. Same thing, of course. What if I just like times it by 100? It's a bit cheaty, but it might work. So whatever the max bar scale is. This is probably a really bad idea. Let's see what happens. Wow, okay, nothing interesting. Why is it? Should be high, a lot higher than 0.01. I'll leave that like that because it gets overwritten anyway. Overwritten? Overwrote? I know it's not overwrited. Hold up. The scale's already 52. So it needs to start at 52. Does it not? Why is it already 52? It should be 1 because that's the full whole quad. because 1 is tiny. Okay. So what if we start them at 1? Because it's relative to the scale it currently has, right? I don't know. I don't know. No, same thing's happening. Oh, why did I never listen in maths? So it scales the x-axis. Wait, this is the minimum, right? What's this 0? 0 to the maximum bar scale. Value, minimum, maximum. Yeah, so the minimum's 52. For some reason. No, it's not. The maximum's 52. And a minimum 0. So that should just work. Because 52 is fully... is the full size. Nicky, how you doing, man? Welcome in. Wow, got some absolute legends coming in here today. Mentioned you earlier, actually. Enter if you're still here. This is who I was talking about. I was watching last night. Brilliant RP. But yeah, welcome. Hope you're well. And this still doesn't fucking work. Of course. I am, but I'm not, if that makes sense. I'm in the Discord, but I've not joined the server yet. One, I haven't had the time to really get on and give it a go. And two, it's a bit scary, you know? But I'm going to jump in and just give it a go. When the time comes, when I've actually got time to do it. Don't know why this doesn't work. Couldn't tell you. Let's run the build again. Can be a bit scary, so many big personalities. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Do you know what's really weird? Going around all the different streams and seeing the same things from different perspectives. Where you come across a stream and you're like, oh, I recognise that voice. That's, you know, so-and-so. Let's try this again. Sure, you'll be fine when you're in their city. Thanks, man. I hope so. I'm sure it will be. In case you're wondering, I'm building a club here. Sometimes I do DJ sessions, drum and bass DJ sessions, and we have a little rave. And I built a club for it. And I'm just showing a little behind the scenes of how it works. Was in Tourette Street. Yeah, I was. Yeah. It was hilarious. Yeah, so far we have Twitch chat over here. The lights go to the music. And I just got emote cannons working correctly. So these two fire emotes out when they're used. I like the song. It's a good tune, Sluggy. I recently put lasers in. There they go. Ah. Emojis work. Interesting, because they never used to. Don't know why they've suddenly decided to work. Normally, there's a little video of me here in the booth. But I was trying to get these three things here to work. They're supposed to... Oh, there we got some emotes coming in from InSun. What is that, tuna? Looks class, fair play. Thanks, Nikki. Appreciate that. Jared, how you doing, man? How was your roller coaster stream going? Sorry I couldn't stick around very long. It was looking good though, the icy scenes. Well, yeah, I don't know why this bit doesn't work. Be on the alert because I'm making food. No worries, Nikki. Thank you for coming. I appreciate that. Enjoy your food. Oh, we're in the wrong scene here. There we go. I look forward to catching one of your streams soon. Had a great time in there. Like the carpet, very nostalgic. Yeah, it's very 90s arcade. In fact, I did put an arcade machine over here, but it sort of distracted a bit from the rest of it. Yeah, these don't work. Don't know why. Maybe I won't bother with those for now. This I'm not too sure about. It's a shader that just randomly generates a pattern and then it changes color based on the beat of the music. Talking of music, put that back on. Let's give some shout outs here because I think a lot of these people deserve more people to go see their stuff because it's amazing. So Nikki plays 5M, which is GTA 5 roleplay server called UG, as does Enter and some others in here. Go give them a follow. And also, I don't know why it doesn't come up with a... It's supposed to come up with the a clip. I don't know what's going on. The bot's broke. I've broken the bot, basically. And also follow Jared. I can't give a shout out in the same way because I think it's limited to how many you can do within a time span. But he plays Roller Coaster Tycoon. He was playing it today. 1963. Let's try that one. Oh, there we go. I say he plays Roller Coaster Tycoon and Mario comes up.
Imagine keeping a power up. Oh no.
Oh no.
Yeah, the last Starcoin was hard. You guys ever got killed by by a squirrel like that? Just me? Okay.
Don't have many clips for Roller Coaster Tycoon 2. That's fair enough. But yeah, we're playing Roller Coaster Tycoon 2 tomorrow. Every Thursday, go through the scenarios. I'm going to do the same shout out thing for both Nikki and Dog Bomb, because if they've got some clips, then you'll see why I recommend you follow them and check them out. Let's try Nikki first.
Fuck off, you twat.
That was good. Good trick. Right. So the shout outs kind of work, but they also don't. The bot is sort of broken. Is this corn? Brilliant. That was Freak on the Leash there by Korn, I presume. Yeah, so that gave me a good chance to check the bot out, because I've been trying to program the bot to, when you do a shout out, it does that, plays a clip, but also does a normal shout out in the chat. But for some reason, it only does one. And I don't know why. I don't know why. Everything's broken. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. It's all broke. Right, I'm not going to bother fixing... Oh, it's very annoying though. I kind of want it to work. Kind of want it to work. Yeah, it kind of just flutters on that tiny little bit. Let's figure this out. It's got to be to do with this, because it starts at 0, ends at 52, but that's correct. That's actually correct. What if we... That's the value. I don't think that even matters. Let's see what that does. Oh. Okay. All right then. It's always the thing you don't expect it to be. It's the multiplier. Also, I don't want to have to create that. So hang on, let me check that works first. Which it should do. There we go. It's fixed. I think it's fixed. Why is it? Oh. Now it's just full. I'm fine with it being full. At least I know what the issue is if I want to go back to it and fix it some more. Right. Let's go back to the... Oh, well, I've forgotten. I completely forgot what I was doing. That's good, isn't it? Ah, yes, the emote. The emote cache. I want it to create the folder if it doesn't exist. Because I don't want to have to make a folder every time I build it out. So that's here. How do we create a folder? Does anybody know? File. Do you know what? I can't remember. I cannot remember how to create a folder in C#. System.io.directory.create directory. I know how to create a folder, but no, might not be the way you're looking for. Yeah, right click, new folder. Let's. Is that going to work? We don't need that bit. Ah, hang on. If I put this here. That should work. That should work. I'm going to rebuild it. I'm going to delete the emote cache folder. If I just delete the whole build folder. Let's see if it will just work. Hopefully, it will just work. Right, so the emote cache folder should appear in here with emotes in it once we test this. Let's hope. Let's hope. Yeah, that works again now. Right, if you can test some emotes, that'd be amazing. And we'll see if they get saved. I think that's worked because they wouldn't have come out if it didn't save. Is that cookies? Love it, love it. So this works again, kind of. Emotes come flying out. Yeah, there it is. Emote cache with a cookie in it. Hell yeah. So glad that's worked. Thanks guys for putting the emotes in, testing that out. Appreciate that. Oh, I made myself jump with a piece of metal that's sitting on the desk. What now? That can wait till another day. At least I know the issue with that now. I think I'm gonna put in a little starting soon area because I had an animation on the camp. Oh, it was over that way. It was gonna start there. And have on the screen like starting soon. And then when it starts, it will just pan back to there. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Instead of building a whole other area and filling it with more polygons that it doesn't need. So there is a Rave Manager, which is the best script name that I think I've ever created. And what that's going to do is before I press spacebar to begin, it's going to keep the camera at that start position. So I need a reference to the, not that. To the camera animation. I think. Hello? What's going on? Oh, I didn't save it. Oh, it's not animation, is it? It's animator. Animator. Yeah, okay. That goes in there. So what that's going to do, it's going to get the animator, which is this. We're going to get the animation from it. So let's put that here. So camera anim is going to be camera animate. Oh my god, I can't. It's really hard to type with this mic in the way here. Wait, is that right? What I want to do is have the camera start at this position. Yeah, so I need the animator and I just need to change the speed. So okay, right. We need a parameter here that's speed, which starts at 0, so it's not going to move. So we don't need to do this. When we start, we'll make sure it's 0. Set speed to 0. And then start rave. What we'll do is turn the lights off. We'll wait 2 seconds. Oops. And then it'll set the speed to 1. Cam, what a legend. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in, guys. I noticed you was playing that. Oh, look at them bombs. I didn't know it did that. The, what's that one? That one you was playing the other day. Hi-Fi. Whatever it's called. How was it? Let's give a shout out to Cam, shall we? The shout out's broken, so I'm going to do it manually. So this one will display a clip, and then the next one will display it in the chat.
What the fuck?
I just want a picture of the. I just want a picture of the. Look like I know what.
This is the best clip I've ever seen.
I just want a picture.
I don't like this. I don't like this bit anymore.
That was amazing. Incredible. If you don't follow Cam, you should. A lovely, lovely guy. There's a heart in the chat at the top. Go click it and give him a follow. Hope you're well. How you doing? Game is awesome so far. Glad to hear it. It did look pretty fun. So many good streamers. There really are. There really are. You should follow everybody who's came in today. Everybody. Everybody follow everybody else. Let's have a follow orgy. Can I say that? Am I allowed to say that? I don't know. I'm good, about to grab some food while I chill here. Yeah. All good. All good. I understand that post-stream hunger is real. I know it's real. That was such a good. I can't get that hot dog thing out of my head. It was so good. I've completely forgot what the fuck's going on here. I always go eat after a raid. Yeah, me too. Me too. It kind of sucks because, like, you. I don't know about anyone else, but when I do it, I feel like, oh, I've raided and now I've gone. Like, I feel kind of bad about it, but you shouldn't really, because the reason you're raiding is because you're done. You know, you're done. You've had enough. You want to go do other stuff. You want to eat or whatever you need to eat. So yeah, never feel bad about it. Is this code stuff for Club Silly? It is indeed. So I have been adding. I'll show you. I will show you. We have emote cannons, which fire emotes out, which I'll show you in a minute. You can test them out. The chat wall now has the colours of the chatters. I know you need to go eat, so I'll whack it on. I'll whack it on and we'll see where we're up to. Emote cannons, exactly. Here. What I'm currently doing is trying to get the camera to start here and then it will move back to this position it's at now. But here's a demonstration. Feel free to use emotes. It doesn't work with animated ones, only normal ones. Use as many different ones as you can and you'll see it in action. I'll go in the full screen. There they are, flying around. We've got lasers now. There goes a load of slugs. And And then, yep, as Inson's done, if you do fire, it will fire every emote that's been used so far since the club has been opened for this one session. What I will do, I think, is change the fire so that they kind of hit each other a bit more. So what it does, Cam, it will take, if you've put one emote many times, it will only use that emote. I think it's like 5 times it fires each one. So if you use different ones, you'll get more coming out. So put in that many versus just one of that emote, the same amount will come out. There you go, look at that. Yeah, so that's where we're up to anyway. I don't know when we'll next have a rave here, but at some point we will. I was just setting up so that the camera starts here, and then when I press to start the rave, it will move back like this, and then this will have a starting soon thing on it. But yeah, that's where we're up to. It's kind of an ongoing project. I don't think it'll ever really be finished. I'll just keep adding and adding and adding and adding stuff until it just breaks, and then I'll take stuff away. That's probably how it's going to go. This camera movement, I need it to not loop. Cannot remember how to make it not loop. Oh, okay, it doesn't loop. That's good. So it should play it once. Where's the music gone? There we are. So this will start it. Don't think it needs stopping because it will just forever. Don't know. Deprecat, how you doing? Good to see you again. Long time no see. Do you use plain Unity cameras or mess with Cinemachine? I'm just getting more acquainted with them. At the moment, it's a plain Unity camera, but I've used Cinemachine in the past. But I haven't used it in a long time. The last time I used it, I think it was its own thing and wasn't even owned by Unity. Because they bought it, didn't they, from the people that made it. What was it doing? Just an import away, indeed. I mean, I could use it for this, but the camera's only going to move that one time. So I think it might be a bit unnecessary to just add extra weight to the project for no reason. If it was a full game or something, then yeah, sure. Been messing with it. What kind of things you've been making? I'll have to check some stuff out sometime. Right, okay, so I need to activate it to begin with. It is activated, so it should start there. Should it? Oh, we didn't assign. Of course, we didn't assign it. The number one thing in Unity Number 1 error. You have not assigned this to this. Right, there we go. I mostly do jam titles, but I'm working on little projects at the moment. Physics puzzler, because I need to learn Unity physics. Nice! Is there anywhere I can see that? Or is it not available anywhere yet? Have you got devlog or anything like that? I love looking at other stuff people are making. Right, so this starts here, which is what we want. And then when I press spacebar, it should move back and the whole shebang should begin. It does, it moves very fast though. I'll just adjust the speed rather than messing around with the animation. Not yet, but I'm planning on making some kind of devlog, TikTok style. I love other dev work on there. So yeah, fair enough. I'll definitely check it out. And let me know. Feel free to let me know. I love looking at other people's creations. Oh, that's better. Does it lerp to that position? Not that it really matters. Now I'm just getting too picky. It's smooth, isn't it? Is it smooth? Yeah, it is, I think. I was working on a much more complex project I've put on my TikTok. I'm going to pause because I came over from Game Maker Studio not too long ago and I'm still learning Unity. That's fair enough. I've been watching another streamer who's using Game Maker Studio and it looks interesting, you know. I'd like to try it out sometime. I recently picked up Unreal Engine and it was a lot more fun than I thought, and it was a lot easier to learn than I thought. But I always go back to Unity because I think I know it the most out of all of them. I've improved a ton in Game Maker Studio 2, but I'd moved away right when they did. It's always the way, I think. You move to something else and then the thing you've come from suddenly got good or better. Right, well this seems to be working fine. Also, it's not lagging as much as it was, like lagging the stream as much as it was earlier. The thing works on the side. Only thing I'm not really happy about is the video wall at the back with the pattern colours. Not very good at shaders. I don't really know what to make it do. If you ever want to see it, Sean Spalding is the main person to show off all the cool stuff. I'll have to check that out. Thanks for that. What I'm going to change is the emote cannons. Have I got it up here? Emote manager. Oh yes, this. I want the emote cannon to the fire command to like crash into the other emotes a bit better. Lasers are wonderful. Thank you. I added those literally a couple of days ago. They were the addition since we used it. We've used it once for a rave. We didn't have lasers back then. If someone wants to use a load of random emotes, that will greatly help. Non-animated, just static emotes. Yeah, I think this is a bit better. Kind of settle in the middle in the blank area. Thanks, guys. I'm wondering if the fire option... Yeah, that should... If someone can do exclamation point fire as well, that'd be good. And it will fire every emote that you've just used. Oh man, yeah. Yeah, they hit at the top now. Maybe I should... What I might do is have them kind of both fire at the same time so they crash into each other. I have to restart the scene. I'm really liking that camera movement. I think that went pretty well. Right. So we have to use emotes, and then when there's a load of different ones, then we can fire. So we'll chuck a bunch in. Load of different ones. Look at them all, there's loads. Why don't real clubs do this? Yeah, man. Fire, like I think they look like drink coasters, you know, like you get from a pub. If someone does exclamation mark fire now, we can see if that's looks any different. Oh, damn. Okay. Oh my god. That's a lot. That was a lot there. It happened twice. Maybe there needs to be a cooldown on the fire. What I'll do, I'm gonna stop this, I'm gonna build it, and we'll run the real one, because that will be able to handle it better. Well, I even got to a club where I can't be blasted in the face with pog faces. Exactly, yeah. Not worth going to, is it? Right, we can try that again, but in the actual one. Ah, yes, it looks much better like this. So there'll be like a starting soon background. I think the emote cannons might work already, you know. Give it a go. I don't know if I have to start the rave or if they oh yeah, you can't do fire, you have to use them first. So the fire fires all the emotes that have been used. Ooh! All the emotes that have been used since you know, I've opened the club application. Oh wow, it crashed.